In the previous video you saw that we have designed this fragment and it was running like this. Now here if we say that if we want the main activity to pass some information to the fragment and then to be displayed in the fragment, how this feat can be achieved. So now here we make a, this is our fragment class. Inside the fragment class we first, this inside the fragment layout we have a text view. Now we provide one id to this android id. Call it my text view. So this is my id. Now we go into the corresponding java class for this id, and then here you change this style, and we say that the first we create a view. So we make it view v equal to, then we better write this one, inflator dot inflate and all this thing. With the help of this view object v, we go for the text view. So we have a text view txtv equal to v dot find view by id and r dot id dot my text view. And right now we'll do nothing, we'll just return v. Now we go into the main activity from where some informations will be sent. So after when this activity has been started, f1, we create a bundle object of a bundle class, bundle args equal to new bundle, and then inside the bundle args dot put string, I'm putting one string, and the key value pair kind of information where the string will be recognized as my string. And then here I write God is, or better to write fragment dash, and you pass one integer value also, args dot put int, and we will give it a name called my number, and then we'll pass 543 to it, and then we'll put the object of the fragment f1, what we have here. You see this object we have already created, this is the object of the fragment. So the f1 dot set arguments and pass args. So from here the informations, one string having a called fragment dash and one number is passed, and this will be received by the fragment. So I come into the fragment, I design one string, private string text, to store that text, and one variable number to store that number. And then here we'll check whether the information has really reached or not. If get arguments not equal to null, then text dot, or text is get arguments get arguments dot get string. Then you write your text, which is my, what we have written there, this one, my text, my number. So my text, and then number equal to get arguments dot get int, then the my number, and then I have got these two numbers, and then after getting these numbers I will put them here, like the txtv dot set text, then we'll write text plus number. Now let's see. Yes, so the number has finally reached. So initially if you see, then our fragment had some text like the I am fragment, and then now the text is converted into the fragment 543. So this is how the main activity has passed some information to the fragment, and the fragment has displayed it. So the main purpose of explanation of this program is to how the underlying activity is communicating with the fragment. Thank you very much. Subscribe to our channel. In the next video we will discuss about how two fragments communicate with one another on the same activity. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.